Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about Bank of Qingdao Co Limited annual report. Bank of Qingdao Co Limited offers a wide range of financial services to both personal and corporate clients. The company operates through three main segments: corporate banking, retail banking, and financial market business. In the corporate banking segment, Bank of Qingdao provides various services such as bill acceptance, e-bill subsidy, commercial bill, bill pool and supply chain bill, trade financing, supply chain finance, and cash management. Non-financial corporate debt financing instruments, credit financing plans, and direct financing instruments. The company also offers undertaking, underwriting, and duration management services. In the retail banking segment, Bank of Qingdao provides personal loans, corporate loans, youth easy loans, professional card services, investment and wealth management, and credit card lines. The company also offers foreign exchange deposit and withdrawal services, foreign exchange settlement and sale, and foreign exchange outward and inward remittance. The financial market business segment includes the issuance of financial bonds, underwriting of government bonds and financial bonds, buying and selling government bonds, financial bonds, and corporate bonds. Interbank lending and interbank deposit business, insurance business, sale of precious metals, and general derivatives trading business. Additionally, Bank of Qingdao offers various other services such as self-service devices, ATMs, cash deposit and withdrawal machines, letters of credit services and guarantees, safe deposit box services, bond settlement agency services, and commercial central treasury cash management. The income statement shows that the company revenue have been declining annually and operating income have not been increasing. This shows that the business is under pressure with rising cost and its management is unable to expand the business. The primary drivers of revenue growth and decline can be identified through a thorough analysis of the provided summary. On the growth side, several key factors contribute to the increase in revenue. Firstly, credit allocation to the real economy, particularly in the manufacturing sector, has shown rapid growth. Additionally, high-quality development projects in Shandong and Qingdao have driven innovation and industrialization, leading to increased revenue. The retail business has also experienced significant growth through improved account management models and branch efficiency improvements. Furthermore, financial market businesses have expanded due to customer base optimization and diversified transactions. Inclusive finance initiatives, such as the issuance of inclusive loans, have also contributed to revenue growth. Moreover, agency retail business growth and an increase in agency sales of funds have further boosted revenue. On the other hand, several factors contribute to revenue decline. Narrowing net interest margins have led to a decrease in revenue. Additionally, interest rate volatility on trading positions has resulted in mismatched interest-earning assets and interest-bearing liabilities repricing dates, negatively impacting revenue. Net income and profit margins. A year of growth, the company's net income experienced significant growth over the past 3 years, with an increase of 21.61% from RMB 4,404,721 in 2024 to RMB 5,356,601 in 2025. This upward trend is also reflected in the compound annual growth rate of 18.94% during the 2023-2025 period. Furthermore, net income saw a substantial year-over-year increase of 21.66% to RMB 5.188 billion. Profit margins also witnessed an improvement, with the net profit margin rising from 32.53% in 2024 to 36.93% in 2025. The operating income margin increased from 13.41% in 2024 to 14.56% in 2025. Indicating a more efficient operation of the business. Additionally, the weighted average return on net assets grew from 11.51% in 2023 to 12.68% in 2025. The reasons behind these changes are multifaceted. Improved profitability led to an increase in the weighted average return on net assets. Conversely, a decrease in net interest margin was attributed to a change in the net interest spread. The growth in operating income and retail loan interest income also contributed to the overall improvement in profit margins. The company's financial performance indicates a strong ability to generate cash from its core operations. According to the provided information, the net cash flows generated from operating activities amount to RMB 8.8 billion. This significant figure suggests that the company is successfully converting its earnings into cash, which is a crucial indicator of a company's financial health. This positive operating cash flow is a testament to the company's efficient management and effective operations. It implies that the company is able to cover its expenses, invest in growth initiatives, and return value to shareholders without relying on external financing. Overall, the company's ability to generate positive operating cash flow is a key strength that supports its financial stability and sustainability. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes over the past year. According to the extracted summaries, the total debt level increased from RMB 574.65 billion in 2024 to RMB 670.99 billion in 2025, indicating a rise of approximately 16.8%. This increase is largely attributed to an unspecified amount of debt securities issued. In terms of interest expenses, there are mixed signals. On one hand, the interest expense on debt securities issued decreased by 3.5% from RMB 288,089 in 2024 to RMB 208,331 in 2025. However, payments for interest on debt securities issued showed a more significant decrease of 8%. On the other hand, interest expenses have increased significantly from RMB 6265 to RMB 18,004. The company's borrowings from the central bank also saw an increase of 83.5% from RMB 26,219,790 to RMB 47,567,934. Overall, while there are some fluctuations in interest expenses, the total debt level has increased significantly, indicating a potential risk for the company. The company's performance was marked by significant growth in various segments and regions. Transaction banking saw notable increases, with a strong showing from international business, particularly in cross-border RMB business, which experienced a 60.46% surge. Commercial bills discounted also performed well, with a 37.08% increase in the number of customers and a 55.8% rise in transaction volume. Supply chain finance was another area of growth, with a 38.94% expansion in customer base and a 45.14% increase in balance. Cash management also saw a net increase of 51.18% in contracted customer base. The retail business segment demonstrated impressive numbers, with over 5.5 million personal mobile bank users and assets under management reaching RMB 21.991 billion. These results indicate that the company's focus on international business and digital banking initiatives has paid off, driving growth across various segments. Management is optimistic about the company's outlook, citing a year-on-year increase of 8.54% in operating income and significant growth in net interest income due to expansion of interest-earning assets and cost reduction efforts. The company aims to achieve sustained scale growth, enhanced profitability, and improved quality through high-quality development, guided by an operating philosophy that includes achieving growth with quality upgrade, strengthening foundations with capability enhancement, driving agility with efficiency gains, and ensuring stability with sustainable progress. To achieve this goal, the company will continue to expand its scale of loans issued, implement differentiated pricing strategies based on market conditions, and strengthen investment portfolio management to increase interest income from financial investments. Management is also moderately adjusting investment structure to hedge against interest rate fluctuation risk and strengthen core capital stability. The company's strategy includes expanding loan and financial investment scales, optimizing asset structure, reducing excess reserves deposited with the central bank, increasing higher-yielding deposits and placements with banks. In addition, management is focusing on market risk management and control, enhancing return stability of financial investments, and strengthening allocation of high-quality held-to-maturity credit assets. The company will also continue to advance integrated FICC development to strengthen comprehensive trading and market-making capabilities and optimize interbank liability structure to increase low-cost, stable funding sources. Overall, the company's strategy is centered around achieving high-quality growth, advancing corporate governance, refining its institutional framework, strengthening shareholder and equity management, and enhancing information disclosure. Management is committed to maintaining a strong liquidity position, complying with statutory liquidity ratios, and actively managing lending and investment business. The company has a history of paying dividends to its ordinary shareholders. This is evident from various sections in the document that explicitly state paid dividends for the current period, page 11, and cash dividend distributed to ordinary shareholders. RMB 0.18 per share, page 94. The company's commitment to dividend payments is further reinforced by the dividend/buyback summary section, which confirms that dividends have been paid out to investors, pages 168 and 258. The amount of dividend paid for each period varies, but it is consistently stated as RMB 0.8 per 10 shares, page 129, or RMB 0.18 per share, page 94. The company's financial statements also reflect the payment of dividends, with a total cash dividend of RMB 1,048 million mentioned in page 130. In summary, the company has paid dividends to its shareholders, and this practice is ongoing as evident from the dividend/buyback summary section that confirms dividend payments for 2025, page 258. That concludes the financial summary for Bank of Qingdao Co. Limited. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.